Hello, I'm Kate Stichin and you are on InstaForex TV channel. Let us look into a calendar of a forex trader and find the past trading strategy as the US shutdown continues while Europe is in a fever amid the UK news. Thus, our forecast got confirmed yesterday as the ECB president reminded markets about the poor state of the European economy. Actually, it is an obvious fact, therefore an excessive optimism would raise doubts in the competence of the official. Tomorrow's final consumer inflation data is going to be another proof that the weak regional economy is not ready for the cancellation of the stimulus programs from the ECB. According to the initial estimates, consumer prices dropped by 0.2% to 1.6% in December. These readings are not anticipated to be revised. If these forecasts are confirmed, the euro-dollar pair will be pressurized again. Notably, it has been already on sell-off amid the probability of a hard Brexit. The next day, on Friday, traders are going to see the inflation report from Japan. No sensations are expected, as experts who track the flow of macroeconomic information from Japan predict a slowdown in the consumer price growth. This way, an uptrend of the dollar-yen pair will continue. Moreover, the consumer price index is to be released in Canada as well. The tendency for the decline in prices is likely to continue in December after the deflationary pressure in the previous reporting period. In general, analysts have been given mostly pessimistic forecasts recently, and the UK retail sales data did not become an exception. Experts provided a negative outlook again, same as in the last 3 months. Although the December reading is likely to meet the expectations of analysts at last. Nevertheless, the annual growth rate of retail sales is anticipated to remain unchanged. However, investors are likely to react to this report only later, as the market sentiment fully depends on the political situation in the United Kingdom at the moment. Yesterday's vote, Theresa May's second attempt to get the deal with the European Union approved, failed again. The Prime Minister may have to resign if a motion of no confidence is announced, so the pound is in the spotlight. In addition to the mentioned events, we offer to draw your attention to the following publications. Tomorrow, head of Japan's central bank Hirohiko Kuroda will give a speech twice. ADP experts will present the employment data in Canada, while Randall Quarles, a member of the Federal Open Market Committee, will comment on the further changes in the Fed's monetary policy. Then John Williams will share his point of view on the same question on Friday. And a little later, the data reflecting the state of the American economy is due: the industrial production report and the preliminary consumer sentiment index from the University of Michigan. You are watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichin. We wish you profitable deals.